If Telegram notifications aren't showing up on your iPhone or they're delayed or silent, it's usually due to notification or background settings. Let's quickly fix it with a few simple steps. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off. And ensure you're on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced steps. Solution 1. Check Telegram notification settings and reset. Open Telegram and go to Settings, then go to Notifications and Sounds. Now, scroll to the very bottom, tap Reset All Notifications, confirm the reset, come back to Up, make sure notifications are enabled for private chats, groups, and channels. This will set all chat alerts to default and often wakes up the notification system. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Open iPhone settings, then go to General. Now tap Background App Refresh. Ensure the main toggle at the top is Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down to Telegram and ensure its individual toggle is also on. Solution 3. Check focus and silence modes. Swipe it down from the top right to open Control Center. Check if any focus mode is active. Turn it off. If you use focus, go to iPhone settings. Scroll down and go to Focus. Tap your active focus and tap to Apps. Tap Add and select Telegram to ensure it is allowed to break through the silence. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.